guys! So, may gustong mag-packing order. So, she name is Amara Christine R. Yan. So, she want the glips item in your hair. In the hair. So, let's go! Huh? So, yan. So, nilagay ko na rin siya dito para hindi na ako maghanap. Okay. She want the gold. Yan. Kailangan malaki tayo mag-packing. Okay. Then, first the fluffy clip. Then, the beautiful clip. Then, the black hair tie. Karami hair tie. So, we have a freebies. Then, black pen, 2 black pen, and freebies, pangaypay. May ito rin, tatlo yung freebies. And this. So many sticker toys. And this.
Ben!
Okay. And then, thank you, Amara. Bye.